I have my answer, but I forgot what it's called. I'm Jake.
And I'm Jill.
Welcome to Jake and Jill TV.
Jake, wake up. Jake. Okay, good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever time it is. It's morning right now, and we need some breakfast. Dad, what are we having for breakfast?
I have a Pikachu beard.
What do we have today?
What do we have? I'm starving.
Yeah, Dad, tell us what we have for breakfast. We're hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
You're gonna have to guess it what it is.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna guess.
You're gonna have to guess what kind of cereal.
I used to have.
Oh, cereal! Yay!
Oh, I was about to say I usually had this for breakfast like all day, every day. Pancakes and cereal. I bet I'm gonna hate
yummy.
everything you make us eat because I just like Honey Nut Cheerios. That's
I'm not making you eat anything.
Oh, then see ya.
Come
Bye.
back, Jake.
But before we start, don't forget to smash that like button. I want to do that with the cereal so that it goes everywhere. Anyway, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. But if you have, then we really are you trying to pop your thumb? Really appreciate you. Now we can eat some cereal. That scared me.
Back up.
Where is it?
Back up.
Is it here?
Back up.
Is it on the table?
I took it.
Show it
Aww.
first. Show what it is. Turn it around. Okay.
Can I have some? Can you put it on the table now?
Okay, I'm just gonna open it.
Aww.
Okay, you open it.
You're always good at it. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. What are you doing? I'm having a feeling that you're doing something really weird to prank. Oh!
Okay, Jake. Are you ready?
He hasn't even tried it yet.
Nope! Never having this again! I have my answer, but I forgot what it's called.
Okay, can we say it now?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Fruit Loops.
I knew it! I just forgot the name! I'm serious!
Show it to the camera.
I can't
You
find
open
it.
it.
Oh, I found it. Is it on the right side?
Well, my mask is falling off.
Show the top.
Lucky Charm power! I'm gonna eat my Lucky Charms every
I thought you
time.
said you didn't like Lucky Charms.
Oh, yeah.
How did you guess them already?
What? I want Lucky Charms every day. I bet this is Lucky Charms, but I don't know.
Jake.
Yes, they both of them smell so bad. Oh, I remember. Oh, I felt this a long time ago when I was a kid.
When you were a kid.
Jake, are you ready?
No, I just want to see if there's something squishy. Like a squishy circle.
Okay, now you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Raisin Bran.
Squishy thing. I knew it!
Raisin Bran.
Because I'm like, I remember the package from a long time ago. It was like,
When you were a kid.
these raisin things sound like squishy things. They're just squishy.
What is it? Show us. Sounds like a maraca.
They all sound like maracas. Okay, can I do it?
That just tastes like,
What is this?
it just really tastes like chips, potato chips. It just tastes like potato chips.
Okay, Jake, do you have a guess?
I keep forgetting what, what? What's it called again? Let's see.
Do you have a guess, Jake?
It starts with a K. Just name out your answer.
3, 2, 1. Rice Krispies.
Oh, I was gonna say Krispies right after you
Yay!
Oh, so you like these?
guessed. I hear it. I hear it.
Can I open?
Yeah.
Ah! You flung it towards me.
Oh my
Okay, is it
goodness.
showing the right way?
Yes.
Hey, Jake.
I'm just hungry.
He's hungry. Oh, I know what that is. Yummy.
I hate this. I know the smell. Oh, it's actually pretty good. It tastes bad. That
Okay, Jake, are you ready?
No, I want a couple more. Where's the box? Oh, it's right here. Cinnamon Crust Touch. Just cinnamon.
3, 2, 1.
Cinnamon!
Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It actually tastes like toast, so. Yo.
I'm keeping it here.
Okay, you open it, actually. Jeez, my teeth are too weak. My teeth aren't strong at all.
Because they're moving.
Oh. I'm like, oh, that's cool. And I'm like, oh, I can't get it then.
Ah, it smelled it.
Tastes even worse. Oh, it's actually really good. It tastes like cinnamon.
Do you have any guesses?
No.
Let me say mine.
What?
3, 2, 1. Frosted Flakes.
Let's see. Yes, Frosted Flakes. Flakes.
Frosted Flakes.
Because I just felt it after I put it in my mouth and I felt a flake.